Hello everyone, today you're going to learn on how to convert an image like this into something like this with simple doodling. There might be a variety of methods through which you can do this, but I'm going to teach you on how to do it using an app called Picsart. Install this app, upload the image that you want to edit. I've used this picture from a recent trip and isn't it beautiful? The tool here is Draw, where you get variety of brushes, and I'm using here this simple first option which gives crisp lines. Always remember, make the primary outline using these simple colors like black or white or red, very simple solid colors. That is going to highlight your image better. Okay, so just draw through it. If you're not creative just like I am, you can always remove the flaws through eraser and it just gives a clean outline. So I have got my outline ready. I would like to get a double color effect to this, so I'm going to choose a color that matches the object. Maybe it's a lip color. Yeah, so choose that, and you can do alterations in the brush size and hardness. I've reduced the hardness to make it more blurry. White lines are very crisp, right? But these are a little blurry. It's going to blend well with the primary outline that I've given. So again, repeat the same step, draw through the lines that you have drawn previously and remove the imperfections using eraser tool. The end result of this borderline is going to look beautiful once you zoom it out. While zoomed in, it might look a little imperfect, but yeah, when you zoom out, it's going to look beautiful. Now for the sun, I've used this particular brush. The specialty of this brush is it comes in streaks. If I choose one color, it gives me a double color effect for the object that I'm going to draw. Now for the sun, I've chosen orange, but there is a lighter orange shade also with it, so that's going to give a beautiful effect. I'm going to use the same brush again to make the sun rays. Like as a kid, we used to draw mountains with the sun and all those rays. So I'm going to repeat the same rays, but reduce the thickness of the brush a little. You can use double colors again to make the rays. I've used orange and yellow to make these. But the main thing over here is once you finish drawing, always do an outline around it. Choose one particular color to make the outline for that particular image. Here I've used white. Just reduce the thickness of the brush again to make it seem like an outline and run through the object that you've drawn on the screen. Anything. So now I'm going to outline the sun here. Yeah, it's perfectly covered. Now comes the main part where you're going to use words to make an outline. So in the brush again, there is this alphabet wala brush that you can see. Yeah, so choose that brush and type whatever you want to write over your object. So here I'm going to type the lyrics of the song that I'm going to use for my Instagram post. This is obviously going to be an Instagram post. So it's a sunshiny day, come take me away is the line. I'm splitting it into half. It's a sunshiny day and come take me away. You can choose from variety, font size, font styles, font colors. There are a lot of options. You can really explore this app really well, and it brings out the creativity in you. You yourself won't know how creative you are. That's how great this app is. So I'm adjusting the size now. This seems too big, so I'll reduce it now. This looks perfect, I guess. Somewhere around 50 to 60, 63 maybe works. Yeah, this is good enough. So now, very simple, just drag these words around just like how you drag the outline, and the words will just flow over it. You can see it here. That's how simple this is. You can just drag it along the line and you'll get it done. Now I'm going to type the other half of it. Come take me away. The size of the font that you're going to use really depends on how long the sentences is. If you want to repeat the same word again and again, you just have to type it once and keep dragging it around and you'll get it. So let's see. This looks too short. A lot of space has been left out on the other side. So I'll split into come take and me away and again drag it. So come take is placed and me away. Good? Looks good to an extent at least. So yeah, that's it. This is how simple it is to make it. As I told you previously, just explore the brushes that is available. There are variety ones. This particular brush can be used as waves. You see how wave or breeze, wind effect. And this can be used for rays. You can choose yellow color to give that sun effect, sunburst effect. Yeah. Now, as I told you, you can type a whole big sentence and that also will form the shape that you like. So I'm typing a bigger sentence. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Summer dress and glow. See, you can just drag it anywhere. I think now you can already make out how simple this is. Also, this is one of the main feature of it. You can really decrease the size of the art that you have made. Here you can displace it completely as I've done. Install the Picsart app, and if you already have it, explore through it. The brushes are amazing in this app. If you would like to give me any suggestions on any video you want me to make a tutorial for you, you can always comment down, or you can also DM me on Instagram. That's it for today. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till then, eat well and take care of yourself. Bye bye.